Welcome to Whispers, Sheyi. Sheyi Makinde. Okay. I am not afraid of losing 2023 election. We shall see. Governor Sheyi Makinde of Oyo State has said that he is not afraid of losing his re-election campaign in 2023, recounting how he contested in governorship elections in 2007, 2011, and 2015 respectively, and lost while speaking at the Pan-Yoruba Congress at Makinde in Ibadan. Makinde further stated that he has no political father. He said, if the people of Oyo State ask me to leave the office as governor today, I won't hesitate to leave the office because I go to the office daily with my bag. Ojebi, let me tell you here today, Maui, I don't have a political father. It was God who made me governor. Really, Makinde? Oh my God. It was God who made me governor. Really, Makinde? Tó jẹ́ pé lóhun ò ní sọ̀kalẹ̀ wá. Èèyàn náà ló máa lò. Okay. I'm not human being. But only human being. Sheyi. Really? Not human being. I fear only God. And not any human. But ọlọ́pàá èwo ń tèpè kí la gbé kí lẹ jù ṣe yí agbanilétí orúnkún ṣẹ̀jẹ̀ kí ló fa it was God who made me gómìnà, not human being, but orí human being ló jẹ́ gómìnà lé láàárín àwọn human being ló ti jẹ́ ṣe yí ẹ̀rù ti ń bà ẹ́ torí o ti mọ nọ́mbà tó fẹ́ bà ẹ́. I fear only God, not any human being. No matter how powerful a man is, I cannot fear him. Lẹ́nu ẹ̀ ṣe yìí, oh, fear man. Làwọn gómìnà ilẹ̀ Haúsá wa náà kọ́ ẹ̀ pàpamọ́ra. Oh, fear man ṣe yìí. Níbi wọ́n sọ pé ibi tó bá yẹ ká ti bá ọgbọ́n tá bá gàn bí ó máa dùn yàn. No ṣiṣẹ́ ọmọ ọkọ, no ṣiṣẹ́ ẹni tó tó àṣẹ ilé ẹ̀ pa. No ṣe somebody else. No lè take it proact. No tí ẹ̀ rí ẹ kó function with all this gangan Hausa Fulani thing. Fine, you were brilliant with the answer something, but this insecurity one, flop big time. Big time. One year, I can't hear him. Okay, Murasi. I contested election in 2007, 2011, 2015. Ejalufero. Story for the gods, Sheyi. Story for the gods, but failed. And when it is time for God to make me governor, He made me. If the people of the state decide that they don't want me again, I will only take my bag and leave because I don't have a pin in the office. As a matter of fact, this your speech, this your grundle speech, and your body language, Makinde, Sheyi, the way that she composed her road, she found your self-confidence, to she carry her tall as you are, to raring, to work by Mike, but she got to one being to one so story, or she banny back, so she lẹ́nu ẹ òun campaign. Kò tí ẹ wá dùn mí fún àwọn àgbàlagbà, àwọn baálé ilé nígbà tó wá sọ́pọ̀ òní godfather wọn náà wá pàtẹ́wọ́. Ṣé ohun tó kàn nìyẹn ṣá? Ṣé ohun tó kàn nìyẹn ṣe yìí? Ó wá kí story mọ́lẹ̀, historian of the century láti 2007 tí 2011 tí 2015 kó tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá bọ́ sí. Mo gbọ́ gbogbo nǹkan tó sọ. So ó lè sọ Yorùbá ṣe yìí? Ó lè sọ Yorùbá dángájíá nígbà tó mọ̀ pé yes, ó ti fẹ́ jó tán, ó ti fẹ́ grand zero ló wà yìí. Ó wá gbé Yorùbá sẹ́nu. Ó gbé Yorùbá sẹ́nu. Àgbà àti ṣàdúrà ló ń gbò. Ṣé wọ́n gbà àti fẹ̀ràn sẹ́nu náà ni? Ṣèyí lẹ́nu ó wá ní tí gómìnà wọn tí òbí ò bá ti ẹ̀gbọ́rọ̀ tí wọ́n sọ tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ tó ti wá ṣetán láti tẹ́tí sí wọn káwọn náà consider lẹ́nu ṣe yìí. Ṣé nǹkan tá à ń bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ nìyẹn? Ó lè tẹ́tí sí wọn náà kó má ṣe nǹkan tí wọ́n fẹ́ fún wọn. What about you? Kí ìwọ kó o tẹ́tí sí wọn kó o dẹ̀ gbégbèsè. Wọ́n á ní tí gómìnà yín tó bá ṣe tán. So nísìnyí ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá ṣe tán. Nísìnyí ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ṣe tán láti tẹ́tí sí wọn. Ló ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ṣe tán láti kind of like tù wọ́n lójú so that kí wọ́n lè bá gba nǹkan tó fẹ́ àbí kò lè work. Ṣorí gbogbo léfùrù kankan your newfound confidence yẹn tó owó sókè bí overblown kìíní ó máa tún wà deflated. Ó máa tún wà deflated because ẹni tá a gbójú òkun lé kò máa jẹ́ ẹni àgbà. Wọ́n ṣe yí ó fọ́ rẹ̀ fúnra alára ẹ̀ báyìí ló fọ́ rẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀. Ọlọ́run gan mọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ́nu ẹ̀. And I'm happy. Inú mi dùn pé ṣé kìí ṣọgbọ́n campaign lélẹ́yìí? Ṣé kìí ṣọgbọ́n campaign? One Jeyo State Governor also vowed to support the agenda of Panyodu. Obama support you dealing, darling, as far as I'm concerned. You wanna eat your cake, you wanna have it. Oferora belengose baby, just in case. Tinyo by work. Sheyi, I'm highly disappointed in you. I'm not gonna fall for this. Me only fall for this. I need to see action, Jay. Action speaks louder than words. Yes, talk is cheap, Jay. Talk is cheap. When I see action, I'm looking at you in 3D. I see how my reservations. Jay. Kò yá gbọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn tí mo bá rí tó sọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ ọkọ ó sọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ akin wọ́n á fi wà lé. Take action. Action speaks louder than words. To take action in the right direction. I give it to you. What is that? One yini kẹ́ni ó ṣe mí. Ló bá ṣe nǹkan tó dà mọ́. Eléyìí ó ṣe yìí. Kò lè work. If you do well, people will see and bring you back. So Mawa play the king of God. Ìwọ ò bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run kankan. Àwọn tó ti ẹ̀ ń pàtẹ́wọ́ yẹn wọ́n ń run mí nú. Wọ́n run mí àtẹ́wọ́ pé kí ló sọ tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń pàtẹ́wọ́ fún? A ní kẹ́ ẹ̀ yé gbọ́ndégbèlé kìsà. Ṣàtẹ̀wọ́ ni nǹkan tá à ń sọ ni. Àtẹ́wọ́ ni nǹkan. No, so ní ìsìn. That is you using that. You are an opportunist, Ṣèyí. O ti wá rí pé yes, ojú pé ẹsẹ̀ pé. That is you canvassing. That is what you're just doing right there. On campaign. Àwọn náà wọ́n pàtẹ́wọ́ fún ẹ pé kí ni? Ìyẹn là ń bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ láti 19 gbọ̀gbọ̀gbọ̀. Ìyá Ṣukura wá bí bá wá bí Síkírù. Síkírù wá bí Síkírà wá bí Ṣukura. Nǹkan tá à ń bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ nìyẹn. Pé Ọlọ́run ló gbé ẹ débẹ̀ rí ní. Ọlọ́run ló gbé ẹ débẹ̀ kì í ṣe èèyàn ló lò fún ẹ. Àbáwọn èèyàn kan ló dìbò fún ẹ ṣé yìí. Ṣáwọn èèyàn kan ló dìbò fún orí ẹ ó ti gbalẹ̀. You very stupid. Lordy Nelson. election, bro. Yes, ke. If you did not want the governorship so badly, you will not have contested for it on 4 different occasions and for 12 years back to back without let up. Yes, Sheyi, how dare you come with that rubbish talk? You are not afraid of people. Really? You're scared, Sheyi. You're scared. You wanted it badly enough to have disappointed the Yorubas by not acting decisively against Fulani murderers with the agenda of wiping out the Southerners and taking over their land. You didn't want to offend Daddy and his earned tribesmen. You even went as far as opposing the heroic Igbo who has the clean heart to liberate his people from genocide. Makinde, your handling of the Fulani herdsmen menace has amply demonstrated that you're selfish, chicken-hearted, and gutless. That is it, Sheyi. So, mawa she abracadabra oshiko. Yes, girl. Do the right thing and stop worrying about leaving office. If you do the right things, people will give you their mandate. Or your state is burning in terms of security. Do you expect us to go get beans considering what you are telling us now? Ogbeni, your mind is even telling you. Ogbeni, your mind is even telling you you're about to be another one-time governor in your state. We really disguise. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. Can you imagine? Abio, your records and achievements will speak for you. Dada. Can you imagine? You could have done more. Yes, girl. You could have done more. One man. So dear man, Rary. We already go score Rary. Níbi títí Pan-African ló bú sẹ́rìn, ó máa kọjú kọmú ní bí ẹni tó ń sopa, bí ẹni tí ní ó dùn. Ó wá rẹ́rìn, ó gbóhùn sókè, ó sọ̀rọ̀ sókè. Kò sẹ́ni tó máa gbé sórí ẹṣin tí ò ní sọ̀pàkọ́. How dare you, Sheyi? How dare you? What are you feeling like? What are you feeling? I'm not gonna fall for this, your Oshisco nonsense. When I see action, then I know you're serious. Just imagine. Let me tell you today, I don't have a political father. I'm a poor fatherless. So you don't know Ruko. Come my best, come my win sympathy, come my best sympathize, because I don't get that. It was God who made me governor. Really? God will make a governor and not human being. Really, Sheyi? Okay, but you only expect a human being vote for him. Abi, but Obama canvas human being, not my canvas for. Sheyi, Shebo loco Seriki Saliu. Oh, she ma pat Seriki Saliu. Àtàwọn màálù àtàwọn men. Wakil àtàwọn foot soldiers wọ́n dìbò fún ẹ̀. I fear only God and not any human. That shows me you're shit scared, Sheyi. You are shit scared. My Lord, you are psychology for her. Keep on fooling yourself. Ó ti ẹ̀dá ẹ̀ so ìwọ náà contest ìwọ àti Buhari ẹjọ́ ní a lot in common ẹjọ́ ní ẹ̀nà náà contest nígbà tó bú sẹ́kún náà ní ẹjẹ́ àgbé búrẹ́dì fún un nígbà tó dẹ̀ gbé búrẹ́dì fún un ṣùgbọ́n orí nǹkan tó ṣe ń sìn. Even when it is time for God to make me governor, He made me. Tẹ́lẹ̀ ńkọ́, you better redeem yourself. Kò tí ì léètò. Àtúnṣe ṣì wà fẹ́ ga tó tutù tó bá ti kákò bá ọmọ ó bọ́ nìyẹn. Yes, sir. I hope this man is not deceiving us because he always quotes the law of the Fulani of his Fulani family knew. But if all what he's saying is true, God the deal. You might imagine. Can you imagine? All what we need is action, no, not millions of promised words. Yes, actions with Sherry. Let me see you in action. Let me see you in action. Abio, enough of irrelevance talk. Stand with the agitation of Yoruba people. And less of your personal political ambition. Abio, Aberi. Sheyitun campaign. Can you imagine? He's so desperate. What is it? Desperado. All reasonable reasoning. Or to go to the wind. Or to the desperado. You still have the chance to prove your sincerity to your people now. Ogbeni Sheyi. Do it as fast as you can before it's completely go late for you. Because at now, you are already in our black book for your slow response to security of your people. People are dying. Yes, girl. People are dying. People are dying. Show ya ki won arrest àwọn 3 OPCs. Show ya ko arrest wọn. Abo fe so po mo npe. Abio, please, let's join hands together. Don't believe politicians. They will just say what you want, but they won't take any action. They are promised words based on their political ambition. They know that we all like to listen to lie. Please be vigilant. Yoruba nation now. Nigerian politicians are liars. Lafata, I will never trust any politician from that so-called Nigeria. Keep clapping for him. He will only tell you what you want to hear. That's politician for you. Yes, so what one part of waffle. One part of waffle. But you will not offer more. In this issue, but the junior name it. How many times in this issue to write you back? You know when you go for the one part of waffle. Nonsense. Naughty nonsense. I don't trust politicians again. He may be saying this because of the second time. Let's see action. Let's see action, because to me, action is louder than words. Say meow. Say meow. Say meow. He is wearing 2 faces. In case of incasity, he is not hot. He is very shaggy or red. Oh, bono. Tó bá máa jó ṣàká. Tó bá máa jó ṣòkò. Ẹ wo lọ ṣàká ṣòkò. Ọ̀ṣàkálẹ̀ ṣòkò ló. For what? He is wearing 2 faces. In case of incasity, he is not hot nor cold. Beware of such people. Abio, when did you become a changed person? Governor Seyi Makinde, forget it. We are done with you in Oyo State. There is no any cunning utterance that will make us to put our trust in a man that ridiculed the Yorubas so much, to the extent that Yorubas losing so many innocent souls to the Hausa Fulani herdsmen. Can you imagine? Somebody said, thank God, Fulani have released Seyi Makinde from their cage. Can you imagine? Lori Ra, another super story. I'm very sure that they are up to something, because all these promises, game of politics, it can't work again, because Nigeria stuff is not working anymore. So we need freedom. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Seyi Makinde must be using psychology for us, with all his actions and attitudes towards everything that has happened to Yoruba people. Where was he by then? Let us open our eyes and brain. Can you imagine? Mi ò rí Seyi kó rẹ́rìn rí, ó wá rẹ́rìn, ó gbé máìkì dání, ó gbé sẹ́nu gọ́ngọ́, ló ń ṣọrùn bí ọrùn tòlótòló. Ìwọ láyé ẹ̀. You need to agree. There is nothing called 2023 election. Yes, so. And thank you. So I don't believe him at all because he says so many things about election that is set or free and fair, but later he imposed. Don't trust politicians. Ṣebí Yorùbá ní làákàyè ni wọ́n ń pè wá. Ṣé ẹ rí pé arákùnrin yìí pé ó sọ̀rọ̀ arákùnrin yìí pé ó sọ̀rọ̀ sọ ni wàláì. Don't let's trust him Yorùbá o. Adúrú ìyà tí wọ́n fi jẹ wá. We are still going to trust who cannot speak Yoruba language very well. Okay, let's. Can you imagine? Who wants to Yoruba? Stick to his words, you Mr. Governor, please stick to your words. It won't speak well of you if later you turn around and be saying another thing contrary to this your statement, or maybe your counterpart in other states confused you. Please mark your words. Yes, so. Abby, this man is just blabbing nothing. Nothing is true about what he is saying. Until he promised to support Yoruba agitation. Trust me, all our politicians are like, yes, girl. Kila do. One sọ̀rọ̀ láti 90 gbọ̀ngbọ̀ngbọ̀. Ta ló ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ sọ yẹn kí ló kọ́ anybody for how long to try láti be governor, to be governor. Nonsense. Abio, Yoruba people, is Seyi Makinde going to the new Yoruba nation? Office manager will be better than a governor who pretended not to hear about the killings of his state citizens. A governor who allowed attempts to arrest Sunday Igboho. A governor who planned to put overhead gas pipe on a bridge. Where is this consideration for the citizens' safety? I can't believe Seyi Makinde. What he said is indirect speech. He didn't go straight. Ṣọ̀tún ṣòsì má bàbí kan jẹ́. Can you imagine? Sàn láàrin. Ajé ni mo ní pẹ̀kọ̀rọ̀ sọ́pọ́tọ́pọ̀ bàbá ẹ̀ náà sí tán. Kí ni nǹkan This guy is high re-election. It doesn't seem genuine and he can't be trusted at all. Laughable. Don't believe everything you see or hear from someone who suddenly have a change of mind. Yes, guy. So he was totally wrong. Makinde, ọ̀rọ̀ wọ́jọ́ ne. Wo ọ̀rọ̀ ju. Mi ò tiẹ̀ mọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ wọ́jọ́ ni tí wọ́n máa sọ̀rọ̀ bí kúkúmùkùn suddenly. Wá feel with energy. Ó ti wá rí dẹ́rìn confidence the election is approaching. Orí ẹ̀ ti gbalẹ̀. So guys, Ṣèyí, èmi àti ẹ, a jọ máa mú nǹkan lẹ̀. Ohun tó bá tó ń ṣe nǹkan táwọn èèyàn fẹ́. Ohun tó bá tó wùwọ́ ọmọ ọkọ. Tó ṣèṣe ọmọ ọkọ. Other than that, Ṣèyí, Ìbàdàn tèmi. Lólúyọ̀lé tíátíá. But can you imagine? Nínú ẹ̀. Kí ló tiẹ̀ sọ náà? I am not afraid of you losing 2023 election. Ṣèyí, a lọ sọ̀rọ̀ African Yoruba nation. And you are talking of 2023 election. And you are indirectly campaigning. Really? This thing is in plain sight now. Kí ni wọ́n máa ń jókòó tí wọ́n ń pàtẹ́wọ́ fún ẹ fún? Kí ni wọ́n jókòó tí wọ́n ń pàtẹ́wọ́ fún ẹ fún? Kí ló wá lọ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀? lẹ wá jókòó well mama wo ṣá, but that is just my 2 cents. Ṣèyí kò tẹ̀ yẹ kó bring about ọ̀rọ̀ re-election. You are not afraid of losing 2023 election. Ìwọ tó jẹ́ pé wo ó ti dobìnrin, ó ti ń tọ̀ sára. Ó ti ń tọ̀ sára as it is because conscience ẹ̀ gan prick ẹ torí pé o mọ̀ pé o ṣe nǹkan tó yẹ kó o ṣe. Ẹni tẹ̀ ń kí ló ṣe Ṣèyí tó lọ́ra báyìí tó ò tiẹ̀ lọ́ra. Tó túmọ̀ sí pé adákẹ́ máa fún mi ó wá sọ ó ní ibi tí wọ́n jókòó sí ìwọ ni wọ́n mọ nǹkan tí wọ́n rí. Kí ló rí Ṣèyí? Kí ló rí? Kí ni nǹkan tó yẹ kó o máa rí ju àlàáfíà, security, welfare àti safety àwọn citizens ẹ lọ? Wọ́n níbi tí wọ́n jókòó sí ìwọ ni wọ́n rí nǹkan tí wọ́n rí jọ. Kí ni primary duty ẹ as the governor of the state, like as the governor of everything náà ni exclusive list Makinde. Àwọn kan tún wá gbìyànjú wọ́n tún cut the menace ẹ̀ tún wá tì wọ́n mọ́lé. So ìgbà tí wọ́n ń tì wọ́n mọ́lé, ìgbà tí wọ́n ń pa àwọn èèyàn ní gàngán ní all those agricultural settlements which is the backbone of the economy. Ṣèyí, you are still in your office ó ń wo nǹkan táwa yòókù ò rí torí ó ní ibi tí wọ́n jókòó sí ìwọ ni wọ́n rí nǹkan tá a rí Ṣèyí tí wọ́n fi ń pa wọ́n over the years. Ṣèyí, you are still in your office looking at it, looking at what we cannot see. We are not ó wá sọ di pé nǹkan tá gbà rí lórí ìjókòó ọmọ kékeré ò lè rí àbí Ṣèyí. But ìgbà tó fẹ́ campaign tó fẹ́ contest ó tí rí nǹkan kan tó wà ní ọ́fíìsì, right? So ní ìsìn tí election ti wá dé, that is you giving us excuse o. Is that the best? Like seriously? Nǹkan tí wọ́n rí kí ló fẹ́ rí? Kí ló bá rí? Ó ti gbàgbọ́ orí àwọn aráàlú ló dúró lé tó fi rí nǹkan tó rí yẹn. Àwọn aráàlú náà ń lò fún ẹ tó fi rí nǹkan tó rí, whatever it is you're saying. If at all you're seeing anything like. Ó ṣe ta o, ó kù díẹ̀ káàtó, ó kù díẹ̀, ó bùkún. Ṣèyí, ó bùkún. Ìbá má jẹ́wọ́ o, ìbá má jẹ́wọ́ àtọ́. Tó bá sọ pé mi ló máa ṣẹja jiná Ṣèyí, màá nírọ́ ni. Tójú ẹ tútù, but inú ẹ bu láti inú bẹ́ẹ̀ ó bu dẹ́yìn ni. But re-election tí ń bọ̀ sí ohun ẹ wá ojú yọ bọ́ man. Mi ò mọ̀ pé ojú ẹ tóbi ice kò ń gbá. Ojú ẹ wá tàn, ó tàn dáadáa kò dín mọ́. Full light ni heads on. Like seriously. I am not afraid of losing 2023 election. We shall see. Rada, Irakala. So till I come your way again. Bye.